Yeah. One big room full of drunk niggas. One big room full of drunk niggas. Got my finger in, we about to get killers. Ah!
I know it's kinda late.
And they say sorry for the wait, nigga.
It's a little bit sorry.
This LC, nigga.
Okay. Yeah. One big room full of drunk niggas. They all my fucking niggas though. We fucking everybody hoes. Yeah, we fucking killing in this bitch. My window's still open. It's been cracked since about 6. Yeah, I know, yes, I know. It's a motherfucking, I don't know what I wanna fucking say. So I'm gonna pass it to my motherfucker tail.
I got one big room full of bad bitches, so you know I'm about to tour. A nigga got my knives every day of the week. Fuck with me, nigga. Yeah, I'm the king on the streets. So my word around LC is niggas got bitches. Yeah, you know that's about me. I tell you killing, of course you know I'm about T. I only fuck with the baddest bitches on street. I got one big. Yeah, so check it. With the hook going, I got one big room and it's full of bad bitches. They all pull a ticket cause it's too many to get it. I'm telling niggas back off, nigga, you can get it. Just let me fuck around and fuck this bitch and I'ma kill it. I'ma pass that bitch off to my fucking team now, cause I don't cuff no hoes, nigga. Yeah, you know what I mean now. I don't have a heart, so bitches say I'm fucking heartless. I told that bitch I nigga ain't Kanye, so I'm it. I'm the prince of the town, now I'm dead. I had to run off and do my sign now, so call me King Arthur, cause I'm about to take a round now. Put my knights at the table, now we on now. We finna run this shit, but I'ma pass it on now. Let my nigga kill it, let him show you niggas soul now. And I'ma pass it to my nigga Cassius Clay, and let him fuck around and put them niggas to the save. One room full around with bad bitches. You feel me? So it's just
Got a foul.
right.
Yeah, he ain't got a many seconds left.
Right.
Yeah, you got about a minute.
Right. So my nigga, Classic Clay in the building.
Yeah.
So I got one big room full of gangs bitches. All these hoes sucking, niggas still fucking. Bitches on a nigga, they go out cause I'm stacking. Racks on racks, got these hoes on stacks on stacks. Got that money on the bag, got these hoes still in trash. Got these niggas talking shit, got that bitch all on my dick. Now, me and LBJ, about to beat this bitch, okay.
Well, kind of feel it.
Damn.
Full of bad. Too
I
bad.
ain't let my nigga finish.
That's too bad. Y'all weren't ready for it, no way. Shit, fuck it.
That's how they
Like
do.
sipping, Ciroc fucking killing, Sky Vodka chilling. That shit tastes like rubber alcohol.
We all